Good morning, Namaskar. Today we start a new video on topic is which is the best repertory. In daily practice, we used different types of repertory. After all, which repertory is the best repertory? Different number of repertories are in use should convince us that none of them is suited to all the cases. So this Dr. Kent sir gives a reply that the best is that which one makes oneself. The best is that which one makes oneself. This means many of the bigger and more complete general repertories will serve the ordinary purpose of the practitioner, provided that he is sufficiently familiar with its content and their use. For this purpose, what is essential is to first to give a number of thorough reading of the preface and introduction of the repertory in order to understand the philosophy and principles behind its arrangement. Then to go a few reading of the content to be familiar with the place of the different rubrics. Selection of the proper repertory depends upon the presence of symptoms in the patient and can be easily understood by following chart. Choice of repertory. Symptoms, general and particular. General, those cases contains mental symptoms in maximum or high number. Then we select repertory of homeopathic materia medica, that is Kent's repertory. In physical general symptoms, Bonning-Hussain therapeutic pocket book. Pathological general symptoms, BBCR. Clinical symptoms or rubric, Boric repertory. Puritan repertory we select in complete symptoms or symptoms written in language of books, that is patient's language. Soric symptoms or those cases contains maximum number of sensation. So for this sensation as if by H.A. Robert, particular or regional. So regional repertory like Berry's eye, Borland pneumonia, Bell's diarrhea, etc. So we select a repertory on the symptoms present in case and use. It also depends upon the nature or practice of the practitioner, how he use a repertory for acute condition or chronic condition, or also depends upon use of repertory is on the different technique and method of repertorization. So this depends upon individual practitioner. So after all, a statement given by Dr. Kent sir is correct. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe.